Hey guys, do you like eating oatmeal, oats? Well, if you don't, you probably will after watching this video, because in this video I'm going to share with you 5 important things, reasons why men should eat more oats. Let's get to it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.
Now, just very quick, if you're new here to my channel, my name is Daniel and welcome. Now, let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the first reason why men should eat a lot more oats. You will lose fat. Yes, oats will make you feel fuller for much longer. That's all because of the healthy fiber, and it's called beta-glucan, which regulate your hunger hormones. So you'll eat a lot less. Why? Because you'll feel a lot more satisfied after every bowl of oats. Oatmeal also helps us men with our prostate. It's true, because it has an amino acid called L-arginine that relax blood vessels and boost blood flow. Now, a lot of guys who struggle with erectile dysfunction, they get treated with this amino acid. But now you know that you can just get it for free in oats. You will live longer. Look, carbs got a very bad rap over the last few years, especially bread. But don't throw away the good carbs, like oatmeal. It's really good because it protects you against things like type 2 diabetes, heart attacks, and stroke. Another reason why you should eat oats a lot more is because it fights cholesterol. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 31.7% of Americans have high cholesterol. That's 73.5 million people. Now, if only they ate more oats, because oats is full of fiber, full of B vitamins, and it lowers cholesterol. Oatmeal builds muscle. So you don't just need to eat a lot of meat to build muscle, but also healthy, good carbs to help you with it, like oats. 1 cup of oats roughly gives you around 300 calories, 5 grams of fat, 56 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of protein. And apart from this, you also get 1 gram of niacin, meaning vitamin B3, and 3 grams of iron. Now, if you're not sure what these things do, vitamin B converts carbs into energy, and iron helps to transport oxygen into your bloodstream and into your muscles. Now, just a bonus tip, if you don't like oatmeal, then try different ways of preparing it. Then you'll find out that you will actually like it. Very, very, very important. Don't eat it without salt. Always add salt, because if you don't, oh my goodness. Anyway, also try it without water. You can add milk or even yogurt and then build it the way you like it. You can add nuts, bananas, and strawberries, or try it with peanut butter, honey, and cinnamon, or add it into your whey protein smoothie. Now, all you gotta do is just play around with it, try different things until you find what works for you. Now, if you want more men's tips like how to increase your testosterone, watch this video here and I'll see you there. Cheers, guys.